Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get 4 different desktop wallpapers on each virtual desktop in Linux. I'm using Ubuntu 9.1. So you're going to go to System Preferences, Compiz Config Settings Manager. You will need Compiz for this tutorial, so if you haven't already gotten it, you can see how to in my How to Enable the Desktop Cube tutorial. So scroll down to the desktop group and select Desktop Cube. It must be enabled. You're going to go to Appearance and Sky Dome. You want to go ahead and enable the Sky Dome, and I'm going to animate it for this. It's just better quality. Select your picture, so I'm going to go to Pictures, so you can navigate to wherever you saved your image. I'm going to use the Overseer, so yeah, that's going to be the one I'm going to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that. Then that's it with the Sky Dome. Go over to Transparent Cube and select the opacity of when the cube is rotating to 35%. You can change it, mess around with it, but I like 35%. This is going to create like a reflective effect when we have our backgrounds. So we're done with the cube. We can go back and scroll down to the Utilities group and select Wallpaper and enable that. So there's the wallpaper. I'm going to enable it and then click on Wallpaper to go into Settings. I'm going to click New and select my images for however many desktops I have. Your first image will be your very left desktop, and your last image will be the one to the very right. So you're going to select your image you want. I'm going to go ahead and use green for the first one, and I don't like scale, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to scale for that one. Select my next image. So, because I don't really like scale and crop, I'm just going to do scale for now for all my images. Go to my third image, click on the icon again, and load the third image. I'd rather have a lighter colored one for this desktop because I've already got 2 kind of darker ones, so I'm just going to select a whiter one, and again just change it to just scale only. Close that out, and same thing for the next one. I'm going to do another lighter one. I've got this kind of weird Ubuntu symbol one I'm going to use because I've already got half dark colors, so I'm going to use 2 lighter ones. So now we're going to go ahead and go to a new desktop. It's blank, and we're going to hit Alt F2. Hit Alt F2 and type in GCONF-editor and hit enter. It'll bring up the configuration manager. Going to navigate from apps to, we're going to scroll down here to Nautilus, Nautilus, preferences. Once we're there, we're going to scroll down on the right panel till we see show_desktop. We're going to go ahead and uncheck that and close out the configuration editor and go back to our last window. Go ahead and close that out. So that's it. You can go ahead and close it out, and now you have whatever images you want for each 4 desktops. It's done, and also you have a kind of reflective look on your 3D cube. You can disable this by going back into the manager and change the transparency of the rotation back to 100%, or you can also change it to non-rotate, and you can change and mess that around so it looks like this when you're not rotating the cube. So that is all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can email me at coryonubuntu@yahoo.com, or you can see that email address at my contacts page. You can send me requests on what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.